first day of autumn. You know, fall is my favorite time of year, so this is kind of a fun set of words to do. So, first day of fall comes in September. Hopefully you have a nice sharp pencil and you are in a comfortable position. Starting at the baseline, it's a capital S, big line up diagonal, loop, big line down, bump, and you see the tail goes right through the bottom part of the S, and you can actually take it into the next letter. So E, loop, bump, tail, up, big loop down, up, bump, tail for the T, big line up, down, another E, tail, little line down, bump, little line down, bump, little line tail, and right into that B. So big loop up, big line down, bump, and you can see a little loop here. Then it goes right into the E, a bigger loop, bump, tail, and R. Little line up, diagonal, down, tail. Now I don't have a lot of room here, but I am going to try it because you know that writing it freehand and copying what you just traced is where you really get the best practice, not just tracing those dotted lines, which I admit is super fun. B, so you can see little loop, E, bigger loop, and R. Next word is breezy. So when it gets breezy, all those leaves start to come off the tree. Big loop up, big line down, bump. Here's another B to practice. Little loop tail into the R. Little line up, diagonal, down, tail, 2 E's. I know you're getting to be a pro at those E's, but look at this, a Z. So tail, curve, little loop on the line, bigger loop below the baseline, tail, and right into a Y. Tail, little line down, bump up, big loop below the baseline, and a tail. So let's write that again. Breezy. Now, I do not expect you to get this the first time that you are trying these newer letters. You don't write as much with the Z's and the Y's. So give yourself some time to keep practicing and you'll do great. Equinox. Loop, bump, tail, curve into that Q, bump, up, big loop down to the back below the baseline. Little line up, bump, little line up for the U, and then little line for the I. Another N, bump, tail, and curve into the O. Circle, loop, tail. Now for the X, it's tail, then I do a bump, bump, tail, and then I cross it over and go back and dot that I. So equinox, that's when there's less light, days are shifting a little bit, change of the seasons, and we get to practice our X. Bump, bump, tail, and cross it over. So here's something that I share with my students. My X's is the one letter that I really have to think about when I'm doing it. It's a little bit more challenging for me. Next one is sweater. It's sweater weather. Little line up, bump, tail, and into a W. So little line down, bump, up, down, bump, and another loop. Little line up, little loop right into that E. Curve into the A, bump, up, down, tail, big line up for that T, E, and another R. Do you like wearing sweaters? Or do you live somewhere where you have to even wear a sweater? Maybe you live somewhere where fall to you or autumn just means slight breeze on the beach, right? Sweater. Apple cider. Apples are very common in the fall. lots of them on the trees. Bump, up, down, tail, and then people make apple cider. Big loop down, bump, tail, up. Big loop down, bump, tail. Big loop up, down for the L, and loop for the E. Bump, tail for the C, little line up, down, curve into the D. Bump, big line up, down, E, and another R. So I just have enough room to write apple, but I know that you'll turn your page over and write the whole word, right? Because you're really working on mastering each letter. And that freehand practice is where it really happens, changing colors. The leaves change colors. So bump, tail, big loop up, big line down, up, bump, little line down, and curve into the A. Up, down, tail, into the N, little line down, up, bump, down, and curve into the G. Bump, up, big loop down right into that I. Little line, bump, down, tail for the N, curve into the G, bump, up, big loop down, and tail. Dot that I. Bump, tail, curve into the O, circle, loop, tail, big loop up, circle into that O, loop, tail, little line up, diagonal, down, tail, little line, bump, tail for changing colors. And there's also seasonal changes. It gets chillier. Maybe you can get snow. Little line up, bump, tail right into that E and curve into the A. Bump, up, down, tail, another S. Curve into the O, circle, loop, tail, another N. Curve into the A, bump, up, down, tail, and a big loop for that L. Bump, tail for the C, big loop up, big line down, bump, little line, tail, and curve into the A. Bump, up, down, tail, another N. A lot of the same letters today. Curve and then bump, up, loop for the G, little loop for the E, little line up, bump, tail for the S. Last word, it's harvest time. We talked about how apples are ready in the fall, and harvest means it's time to get all the yummy stuff that we have planted over the spring and the summer. What other fruits or vegetables can you think of that they may harvest in the fall? So big line down, up, bump, down, curve into the A, bump, up, down, tail, another R. Here's a V, tail, little line down, bump, up, little loop, then a bigger loop in the E. Little line, bump, tail, big line up, down, tail, and cross that T. Another T, lowercase I, tail, little line, bump, tail, and into the E. Oh, I'm sure there's all kinds of things they harvest this time of year. Maybe sunflowers, all those sunflowers that have grown over the summer. Maybe corn? I don't know. There's probably all sorts of yummy things. Oh, hello, pumpkins. We harvest pumpkins in the fall. Great job writing today. Keep up the good work. Keep practicing that freehand writing, and we'll see you next time for a new section of Words of the Week.